Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. Today I have a cleaning video. It's been a while since I've done one and they are very highly requested. So I thought I would do a power hour cleaning motivation video as I cleaned my living room. Now I wanted to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share my video. That really helps my channel to grow. Also, follow me over on Instagram. I post a lot of home decor inspiration pictures over there. I will have that linked down below for you. Okay, so let's start by showing you the list. I have a lot to do today, so I'm going to do my cleaning in a power hour format. I'm going to start, well, I don't do them in order, but I'm going to start with my living room as my first power hour. I hope to do at least 2 or 3 in the main areas, and then I'll do some deep cleaning. I'm going to arrange the pillows on the couch, clear my TV stand, clear the coffee table. I'm not going to clean the bottom. I'm going to wait to do that when I can do a deep clean on that. I need to wipe down all my furniture. I need to put away my husband's stuff. I'm going to start a load of laundry and put it to dry. That should work out nicely within the hour. And if there's time, I'm going to have time to fold and put it away. I'm also going to clear the floor so that I can vacuum and mop. I'm going to move a craft cart that I have here in the living room to a more permanent place. I have extra decor randomly throughout the living room, so that needs to get put away. I'm going to Lysol the couch, and I'm going to put away my laptop because I was doing some work on it. So that's what I need to get done within the hour. Let me go ahead and show you the mess so that you can see why this list is as long as it is. Okay, so here is a mess. I think you can probably hear my AC. It's still really hot here, so it needs to be on. Basically, this is just the mess from the weekend. Not a lot of cleaning got done. It looks like more than it is. It's just an organized mess. During the weekend, we try to spend as much time with family, so not a lot gets done. We just eat real quick, take naps, watch TV, and then it's bedtime. So it's just stuff that needs to get organized and put away, taken to their proper locations. Like that's my grocery stuff. I have a like a little ice chest with some grocery bags, some Lysol, Clorox wipes, all that stuff over there. So that needs to get put in the kitchen so that then it'll be moved into my car. The stuff for my husband that I need to put away. Again, I have little decor stuff everywhere. I have a lot of my Etsy stuff right here, as well as some of it over there because I've been recently working on that. So again, it's just stuff that needs to get moved to a better location. I have some donations over here. Those have to stay. I have more decor stuff over there in that corner. As you see me cleaning, you'll get to see more of the mess, but let's just go ahead and get started with the cleaning because again, I have a lot that I want to and need to get done today.
A lot has changed since we last spoke. Life's been good to you, and I see that you're with someone new. Maybe you are better off now that you're with him. But when I see your face, I can't stop myself from spiraling. Now I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down. 'Cause I can focus when you are around. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. I'm not over you. I'm not over you. My heart belongs to you. I'm not over. Trying to see it your way to figure out why you left. I know that I have done some things I do regret, and I don't blame you for leaving. I might have done the same, but it doesn't make it easier anyway. Now I'm falling, I'm falling, myself to focus when you are around. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. I'm not over you. I'm not over you. Yeah, my heart belongs to you, 'cause I'm not over you. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. But I will try my best to carry on without you like you've done. Though I'm lost and out of breath, I will carry on without you like you've done. But I'm not over you. I'm not over you. I'm not over you. Yeah, my heart belongs to you. I'm not over you.
On the balcony, no one else is home. I swear I drank a half bottle in less than a half hour. I swear I didn't mean to give away my power. On the balcony, and it's getting cold. Can someone, anyone, hold me? I swear I drank to have fun, not to forget. But halfway in, I noticed it was just an outlet. Anyone, anyone so alone? What's the secret to this life? I struggle to do right. Anyone, lend me a hand. Tired EP spinning on repeat. Feels like everyone is brainwashed. Oh, I would give anything to get some truth. Yes, I could do it all different, but what's the use? Anyone so alone? What's the secret to this life? I struggle to do right.
And I am done. It is 1:34 right now, I crossed off my list at 131. So yay, I got to finish everything on my list. I just didn't have an opportunity to put the laundry away. I am going to do that right now, but I still wanted to show you realistically what I finished within the hour time frame. Everything is clear. I do have to keep that box there because my husband wears a mask every time he goes to work. I was able, I was able to clear all the mess that was right there, and that's good because I got to vacuum right there. Our door lets in dust, so it was kind of dusty back there. I also cleaned up back here. I just need to reorganize those, but I'm gonna do it as soon as I'm done washing all of the little throw blankets I took from there. I went ahead and took them to wash. My couch is rearranged. It is Lysoled. I do have some extra stuff over here on top that I'm going to just consider part of cleaning the kitchen. Oops, you can see my mop water down there. Again, just the laundry, I'm gonna have to do that. Once I am deep cleaning other areas of the house, I'm going to deep clean the bottom of the coffee table. Sorry, that's what I was trying to say. But everything is nice and clean. It did take me the whole hour. Some areas took me longer than I thought, but at least it's all clean now. So I think that's where I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for taking time to watch it. I'm going to do a cleaning of my kitchen, but I'm probably going to do that in another video just so that I don't have this video be extremely long. I want it to be nice and quick motivation, as it was for me to get as much done in an hour as I could. So again, thank you for taking time to watch my video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified of all of my upcoming videos. I am on a schedule now every Wednesday and Friday at 6 a.m. Arizona Standard Time. I'm going to be uploading new videos. I'll sprinkle in bonus videos on Saturdays or Mondays, again at the same time, around 6 a.m. Arizona Standard Time. Whew, I'm out of breath. My asthma is horrible lately. So anyways, thank you again, and you have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.